Hello friends, this is Kanchan here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Learn. First tell me, how was your yesterday's test? I hope it was very interesting. Guys, today we'll do practice on present indefinite tense. Now you'll be thinking, how we'll do practice on it? Okay, let me show practice on present indefinite tense. So shall we begin? Now see, the topic for the day is practice on present indefinite tense. So guys, we have to do practice on it. And for that you have to write formula of positive. So I have written over here subject plus main verb in bracket S or ES plus object. And you have to write indication just beside it. Okay. Now you have to write one positive sentence. Let me write. We'll write. She behaves well. This is our first set. In that, this is first. Okay. She behaves well with everyone. Okay. She behaves well with everyone. Now, this sentence you have to change into negative. So, here, second, our negative sentence will be she doesn't behave well with everyone. Okay. Now see, I have written here S or ES in bracket. Then this will remind you we should not use S or ES in negative in the main verb. Why? Because we use do and does plus not. So I have written here doesn't. Now this negative sentence we have to change into interrogative. So our third will be interrogative sentence. So here do or does comes first. So here does she behave well with everyone? And then question mark. Now see, does she behave well with everyone? Answer will be yes, she does. And then in negative, no, she doesn't. Okay guys? You may ask negative question also. For example, here doesn't. Doesn't she behave well with everyone? Then answer will be same. There will be no change. Okay? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Now we have to make WH interrogative. Then here fourth one will be here whom. You may ask two questions. First, let me say whom behaves well with everyone. This way also you may ask. Otherwise you can say how does she behave with everyone. So here first I am writing whom behaves well with everyone and question mark. Then answer she behaves well with everyone. But I am writing over here how does she behave Now see, this question you write, huh? How does she behave with everyone? Then answer will be again same. She behaves well with everyone. Okay, let me write over here. She behaves well with everyone. Okay. Now you may ask, do does with have has, but just remind, we do not use main verb in do does with have has. So the question will be like that. Very simple question we may ask, like, does she have any office work in lockdown? Now your question, does she have any office work in lockdown? Answer will be yes. Yes, she has. Any negative? No, she doesn't have. Okay, doesn't have. And guys, one more thing, we may ask WH question also on this with do does with have has. Let me write. Sixth, what kind of work does she have in lockdown? Okay, now see, what kind of work does she have in lockdown? Then answer will be she has. Here has will come. She has office work in lockdown. Okay guys, this is the one set of our practice, and this way we have to make 3 or 4. Okay, now let's see the next. Guys, this is our second set, and no need to write this formula again because already we have written in starting. So start this second set below the first one. Now see, first positive sentence, they burst crackers in Diwali, and this sentence in negative, they don't burst crackers in Diwali. Now I have written interrogative sentence in negative. Don't they burst crackers in Diwali? Answer is yes, they do. No, they don't. Now WH question is little different. So here, what do they burst in Diwali? Answer, they burst crackers in Diwali. First answer, whatever positive sentence that came in an answer. Now here, fifth, do they have crackers in Diwali? Yes, they have. No, they don't have. Now you may ask WH question also with do does with have has. So I have written over here, what do they have in Diwali? Answer is they have sweets and crackers in Diwali. Now next. Guys, this is our third set. In that, first positive sentence is, my father goes to the market to buy fruit. And then negative is, my father doesn't go to the market to buy fruit. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, मैंने सब्जेक्ट माय फादर लिया है, तो आप भी इसी तरह से कोई भी प्रोफेशन या रिलेशन या फिर किसी का नाम लेकर भी सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं। पर आपको ये याद रखना है कि जो आप यहाँ पर मेन वर्ब ले रहे हो तो वही आपका कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए WH तक, और फिर डू डज में हम मेन वर्ब यूज नहीं करते हैं, तो वहां पर आपको एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन बनाना है हैव हैज के साथ। ओके, और यहाँ पर ध्यान दें कि ये 6th ऑप्शनल है, आप कभी WH पर सेंटेंस बना लें या फिर डूडस के साथ बना लें तो भी चलेगा। और अगर आप इस तरह से पूरा 6 का सेट बना रहे हैं तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि मैंने आपको 6 तक पूरा दिखाया है। ओके, तो चलिए हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं। डज योर फादर गो टू द मार्केट टू बाय फ्रूट? देन आंसर इज यस ही डज, नो ही डजंट। समझ गए? नाउ ईयर 4th, व्हाई डज योर फादर गो टू द मार्केट? तो यहाँ पर देखिए हमने यहाँ पर रीजन दिया है कि पिताजी क्यों बाजार जाते हैं, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर रीजन दिया है। तो हम वाई पर क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, वैसे आप मुंह पर भी पूछ सकते हैं कि बाजार कौन जाता है, तो वो तो बहुत ही आराम से आप बोल सकते हैं, पर यहाँ पर मैंने वाई लिया है। वाई डज योर फादर गो टू द मार्केट? आंसर इज he goes to the market to buy fruit. Okay, now your 5th, does your father have fresh fruit? Yes he has, no he doesn't have। अब यहाँ पर देखिए WH के साथ do does हमने लिया है। What does your father have? He has fresh fruit। तो देखिए कितनी आसानी से हमने सेट्स तैयार कर लिए हैं, और इसी तरह से अब आपको भी 3 सेट तैयार करने हैं, वो भी एक नए नए सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के साथ। पर गाइज एक बात आप प्लीज ध्यान से नोट कर लें कि जिस तरह से मैंने आपको यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस करना बताया है आपको कोई भी नहीं बताएगा, और अगर आपने इस तरह से प्रैक्टिस करना सीख लिया तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस आप कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे। तो चलिए, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, आप कुछ सीख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। और अगर आप पहली बार मेरा चैनल देख रहे हैं, आप कुछ सीख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। तो गाइस चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, पर आपको सोच कर रखना है कि वो नया टॉपिक क्या होगा। तो चलिए अब हम मिलेंगे अपने नए टॉपिक के साथ नए वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।